Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the CRL, or CR Lawrence SERS2BS. This is a package of 2 brushed stainless steel stoppers, these are called. These are certainly going to be required when you want to positively control the position of the door. Obviously, your track is going to run through your stop. Rubber bumper. This is the BS, which is brushed stainless. I'm tempted to say, I don't know. Oh yeah, this is going to be stainless. The base material is I'm quite sure the base material of this is likely stainless, because not only they say that it is brushed stainless finish, and that generally goes along with, being they wouldn't say a brushed stainless finish over zinc, even though that could be said. They do indicate down below that material from the kit is stainless steel. The fact that this is magnetic, even though just marginally, which is a normal behavior of stainless when stainless is worked or machined. Brass would be thoroughly not magnetic whatsoever. So you can get it in the BS finish, brushed stainless, and the PS finished as well. That small amount of discoloration that you see there is just from the packaging and comes off. Let's take some dimensional properties. Overall thickness, or width I should say, about 13/16. Now the thickness, about 5/8. Overall height, about 2 5/16. Overall projection of the rubber stop itself looks like it's about 5/16. I'm going to give you the dimensions of the inside of the prep for its installation. Used with 5/16 or 3/8 of an inch thick glass. System features 1 sliding door and 1 fixed panel when you're dealing with a Serenity series sliding door system. Use of minimal hardware gives door an almost floating appearance. It's a hallmark of the Serenity series. Okay, let's take some dimensions. Overall height of that prep, 1.205. 1.205 overall height. The width is 0.415. 0.415 is the overall width. Okay. It does include an Allen wrench. A couple of set screws are down inside, obviously for tightening that onto the track in the installation. You can see I draw that in and how it moves that. That's it. Very simple type of material that we've got here. Below this video is information regarding the overall parameters of the Serenity system. I looked in the CR Lawrence book to see if I can come up with a catalog cut on it and was unable to locate that to attach. So if it does come up as available in the future, I'll be sure to link it here down below. But at least this video will serve as visual and dimensional evidence of what these brushed stainless steel Serenity stoppers are. Now finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the CR Lawrence products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog, and there's several and many full product catalogs that are listed there. If you have any questions on the CR Lawrence SERS2BS package of 2 door stops for their Serenity sliding door system, or any other CR Lawrence product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.